Are you looking for a reliable solution to convert your EML files into secure Adobe PDF documents? Welcome to WholeClear EML to PDF Converter is a powerful and efficient tool designed to simplify the entire email conversion process while ensuring accuracy and data integrity. Key features of the EML to PDF migration tool. Smart and user-friendly interface. Navigate effortlessly with an intuitive design suitable for all users. Direct batch printing of EML files. Save time by processing multiple EML files at once. Compatible with all Windows operating systems. Enjoy seamless performance on every Windows version. Save PDF files locally. Store your converted PDFs securely on your system. How to convert EML files to PDF using WholeClear software. Step 1. Choose the EML file format. Are you ready to begin the conversion? Launch the software and select EML file format, star.ml. From the list of available options, click Next to proceed. Step 2. Add EML files. Now choose how you want to import your EML data. Select multiple EML files or choose a folder containing EML files. If your files are organized in one folder, use the folder option. Otherwise, select files individually. Click Browse, add your files, and use Add More Files if needed. Then press Next. Step 3. Select PDF as the output format. Are you aiming for secure PDF output? Select Convert to PDF format and click Next to move forward. Step 4. Apply filters and set output path. Use the date filter to export only emails from specific time periods. You can also review processing details through Process Log, Error Log. Under Naming Convention, choose your preferred PDF naming format. Final step. Begin conversion. Select the destination folder using Browse. Enable Save Attachments if you want attachments stored separately. Click Convert Now. The software will instantly begin processing and generate clean, high-quality PDF files at your chosen location. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.